practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. The test trouble. Conversation between teacher and student Miss Parker and Tom. I'll play the role of Miss Parker and you'll play the role of Tom. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Good morning, Tom. Are you ready for the test today?
Test? What test?
The one I told you about last week, the one you were supposed to study for.
Oh, that test. Yeah, about that. I might have forgotten.
Tom, how could you forget? I even sent an email reminder to everyone.
My email was acting up. Must be those pesky spam filters.
And the announcement on the board all week?
Oh, that. I thought it was an inspirational quote or something.
Test on Friday. Study hard. Inspirational.
Well, it depends on how you look at it. It could inspire someone to study, just not me apparently.
So, you didn't study at all?
I had every intention to Miss Parker, but then life happened.
Life? What kind of life?
You know, important stuff, like feeding my cat, rearranging my sock drawer, and watching my favorite movie trilogy.
Priorities, Tom. Priorities. Let's practice your English. Now. Good morning, Tom. Are you ready for the test today? The one I told you about last week, the one you were supposed to study for. Tom, how could you forget? I even sent an email reminder to everyone. And the announcement on the board all week. Test on Friday. Study hard. Inspirational. So, you didn't study at all?
Life? What kind of life? Priorities, Tom. Priorities.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.